Hi everyone, welcome to SQL. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about one of the most important concepts in software testing, regression testing. We will cover what regression testing, why is required, and its benefits. So let's begin. What is regression testing? Regression testing is a type of testing performed to make sure that new changes like bug fixes, updates, or new features have not broken any existing functionality. Whenever the code changes, there is a risk that something else stopped working. Regression testing helps confirms that the old feature still work as expected. It ensures that new code changes do not break existing functionality. It is used in both manual and automation testing. Why regression testing is required? Regression testing is required because even a small code change can affect other part of the system. Regression testing is used to ensure bug fixes do not create new bugs. It is used to maintain software stability after every release. Because modern applications are interconnected, one change can impact many modules. Benefits of regression testing: improve product stability and reliability. Regression testing ensures overall product quality. It reduces risk of unexpected failures. Regression testing helps catch bugs early, saving time and cost. It supports continuous delivery and fast release cycles. This is real-time example of regression testing. Login feature which is already works correctly and add a new feature in application which is forget password. After change, login is tested again. If it still works, it means regression passed. If login functionality is not working fine, then regression failed. When to perform regression testing? After a bug fix, when adding a new feature, after performance improvements, or before every major release. Best for large projects and repetitive testing. Automation save time and cost in long run. Popular regression testing tools: Selenium, Playwright, Cypress, TestNG, and JUnit. This is the popular tool which is used for regression testing. Conclusion: regression testing is not just an optional step, it is important part of the software development lifecycle. It ensures that your application remains stable, reliable, and bug free even after continuous changes. Whether you are working in agile, DevOps, or traditional models, regression testing plays a key role in delivering high quality software. It can be performed manually or using automation tools. Regression testing you can perform by automation tool by using Selenium, Playwright, Cypress. These are the tools which is used for performing regression testing. So that's all for today tutorial on regression testing. I hope you now have to clear. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SQL for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.